Very good morning, class. In the previous lecture, I have discussed a numerical on the unit cable and the suspension bridge, in which we find the horizontal span of the cable. Okay, so today we are taking a one more important numerical in which we have to calculate the vertical and the horizontal forces which is transmitted to the supporting pylon if the cable passed over the smooth pulley and the cable is passed over a saddle. Okay, so this is very most important numerical for your semester. Numerical is a suspension cable of the span 100 meter and depth 10 meter carries a UDL load of 8 kN per meter of horizontal span over the full span. We have to calculate the vertical and the horizontal forces which are transmitted to the supporting pylon. The first case is if the cable passed over the smooth pulley, and the second case is if the cable passed over the saddle and the cable makes the 30-degree angle to the support to the horizontal span at the pylon. Okay, so we make the figure. Cable, the deep is 10 meter and the horizontal span is 100 meter. Okay, this is vertical direction at A and B support, and this is the horizontal thrust. So firstly we have to calculate the VA and the VB and the horizontal thrust and the total tension in the cable. So VA and VB is equal to PL by 2 for the UDL load. It is 8 multiplied by 100 by 2 is equal to 400 kilonewton. Okay, because the UDL load is of 8 kilonewton per meter. The value of the UDL P is 8. Okay, the formula for the horizontal thrust is PL square upon 8D. So put the value of P, L and the dip D 10 meter we calculate the horizontal thrust as 1000 kilonewton. Okay, so we calculate both the values here. So the formula for the tension is equal to under root of V square plus H square. Put the value of V and the H here, and we just calculate the value of the tension, that is 1077.03 kilonewton. Okay, so now we taking the first cable, that is cable passed over the smooth pulley. Okay, so cable makes the 30-degree angle to the horizontal span, but we take the theta as from this side. Okay, so this is the 90-degree and this is the 30-degree. So 90 minus 30, that is 60-degree. So we take the theta as the 60-degree from the perpendicular pylon case. Okay, so cable passed over the smooth pulley, so the vertical pressure on the pier, that is V, is equal to VA plus T cos theta, and the theta is the 60-degree. So value of the VA is 400 kilonewton and the tension is 1077.03 kilonewton and the theta is 60-degree. So we calculate the value of 938.5 kilonewton. Okay, and the net horizontal force H is equal to H1 is equal to H minus T sine theta. Value of the H is 1000 kilonewton and value of the tension is 1077.03 kilonewton and the theta is the 60-degree. So we just calculate the value of horizontal thrust also, that is horizontal force 67.3 kilonewton. Okay, so we take the another case, that is cable passed over the saddle support. Okay, so theta is this is 60-degree, no? So we just taking the theta from this side. So 90 minus 30, that is 60-degree. So we take the value of theta as the 60-degree. Since the saddle is supported on the roller, so for the equilibrium condition, because the saddle is supported on the roller, so for the equilibrium condition, horizontal component H of the tension in the cable is equal to the horizontal component of the tension in the anchor cable. Okay, so T sine theta is equal to H. T sine theta is equal to H, that is T1 sine 60-degree is equal to H, that is the value of the H is 1000 kilonewton. Okay, so we calculate the T1, that is 1154.7 kilonewton. So the net vertical pressure, that is V plus T1 cos 60-degree. Okay, so V, value of the V is 400 kilonewton, you can see. Okay, and the T1 is 1154.7, it is calculated, and the cos 60-degree. So value of the net vertical pressure is calculated as 977.35 kilonewton. So the net horizontal force on the top is 0 kilonewton. Okay, you can also calculate it by this formula, H minus T1 sin 60-degree. So you can put the value of H 1000 minus T sin 60-degree, and the T value of the T is 1154 0.7 kilonewton. That is h minus t1 sine 60. Value of the h is 1000, value of t1 is 1154, and the value of theta is 60 degree. It comes in the negative or the 0 kilonewton. Okay, you can verify also from this formula. Okay, so this is about the different case in which we calculate the vertical and the horizontal forces for the two cases, if the cable is passed over the smooth valley and the cable passed over the saddle. So okay, you can note down the numerical also from here. So in the next class we will take one more important numerical based on the effect of change in the temperature stresses in the suspension cable. Okay guys, so you can see this solution. These are the basic formulas that we apply. You have to learn this formula. For formulas I already share a link in the starting of the unit. You can note down from there. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss a important case, that is effect of change in the temperature stresses in the suspension cable, in which we discuss about the change in the length, coefficient of linear expansion, and the change in the horizontal tension. Okay. Thank you guys.